Do you know eating garlic may harm your body? Side effects of eating raw garlic. For many home cooks, garlic is a popular spice because of its strong flavor and fragrance. It's delicious in stews, sauces, pizzas, and pasta meals, among other things. The bright side of garlic is its therapeutic qualities. This potent substance has been connected to a variety of health advantages. Despite its flexibility and health advantages, some garlic enthusiasts question whether it is possible to overindulge in garlic. When it comes to garlic, we wanted to discover all potential positive and negative health issues. Garlic is probably safe for the majority of individuals. The consumption of 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic per day by adults is considered entirely safe. Garlic has been used safely for up to 7 years when taken orally and for up to 3 months when applied topically as a gel, paste, or a mouthwash with no side effects on healthy bodies. Here are some of the possible adverse effects of consuming raw garlic that you may not have been aware of. So be sure to watch this video till the end to learn about all of the potential negative consequences of consuming too much garlic on an empty stomach on a daily basis. If you want to know about the health benefits of eating garlic, click the I button or check description for the link. Number 1 may damages liver. Garlic intake in excess may have negative effects on the liver. Even though raw garlic contains antioxidant properties, an excessive amount may cause liver damage. According to rat studies, large dosages of garlic, 0.5 grams per kilogram of body weight, may cause liver damage. On the other hand, the liver is unaffected by modest daily dosages of garlic, 0.1 grams to 0.25 grams per kilogram of body weight. Number 2 may increases bleeding risk. A severe adverse effect of consuming too much garlic is an increased risk of bleeding, dangerous if you are on blood thinners or have surgery. Although garlic-induced bleeding is rare, one study described a case in which a person had increased bleeding after routinely consuming 12 grams of garlic, about 4 cloves, per day before surgery. Therefore, it's critical to consult with your healthcare provider before using raw garlic or garlic supplements. Additionally, if you are on any medicines or are planning surgery, you should speak with a healthcare expert before including garlic into your diet. Number 3. Garlic breath and bad body odor. Garlic includes a range of sulfur compounds, frequently attributed to the plant's many health advantages. On the other hand, these chemicals may produce bad breath, mainly if consumed in high quantities. This is particularly true for raw garlic since heating reduces the amount of these beneficial sulfur compounds present in the garlic. Researchers have discovered that the smell of garlic may remain in the mouth for many hours after brushing. Certain healthline experts think that the compounds in garlic that cause bad breath are the same ones that also provide the advantages that make it so good for your health. Number 4. May cause digestive issues. Garlic, along with other vegetables such as onions, leeks, and asparagus, is rich in fructans, a carbohydrate that may cause bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort in some individuals. Number 5. Heartburn. Gastric acid reflux disease, GERD, is a common illness that happens when stomach acid rushes back up into your esophagus, producing symptoms such as heartburn and nausea. Garlic has been shown to reduce lower esophageal sphincter, LES, tone. As a result, acid reflux may become a problem. Heartburn and other gastric problems are more pronounced when garlic is taken on an empty stomach. Number 6. Skin problems. Skin irritation may result from prolonged contact with garlic. Some particular enzymes found in garlic may be responsible for the discomfort. According to anecdotal data, eczema, allergic dermatitis, burns, blisters may also be some of the symptoms resulting from this allergy. Number 7. May interacts with some medicines. According to one research, garlic has been shown to interact with medicines such as chlorpropamide, fluindinone, ritonavir, and warfarin. Thanks for watching. Hope so, you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel and watch my suggested videos. Do not forget to share my videos with your friends and loved ones. Be healthy, Be Nutritive.